Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn about the sport pickleball that combines elements of tennis, badminton, and table tennis. Let's get started. Pickleball was invented in 1965 on Bainbridge Island, Washington, USA, when three dads, Joel Pritchard, Bill Bell, and Barney McCallum, wanted to create a new game to entertain their families. They didn't have all the equipment for badminton, so they improvised with ping-pong paddles and a perforated plastic ball. The badminton net was lowered, and thus, pickleball was born. The name, pickleball, has a fun origin too. Some argue it was named after the term, pickle boat, describing a crew composed of members from other boats, akin to how pickleball blends elements from various sports. Another possibility mentions that Bill Bell said he named the game because he loved hitting the ball in a way that would leave his opponent in a pickle. How did pickleball become famous? What started as a simple family game quickly spread across the United States. By the 1970s, pickleball had moved beyond backyard play and into community centers. The game's appeal lies in its simplicity and accessibility. Anyone can play, regardless of age or skill level. As more people discovered pickleball, official rules were established and tournaments began to pop up. The sport's popularity skyrocketed in the 1980s and 1990s with dedicated pickleball courts being built and the formation of the United States Amateur Pickleball Association, USPA, in 1984 to promote and grow the sport. Pickleball's journey to India. Pickleball made its way to India in 2008 with the formation of the All India Pickleball Association (AIPA) by Mr. Sunil Valavalkar and the Registrar of Companies, Government of India. This organization played a crucial role in spreading pickleball's popularity by hosting workshops and tournaments. The sport's easy-to-learn nature and fun gameplay quickly won over many players. Current status of pickleball in India. Today, pickleball is growing rapidly in India. Schools, colleges, and sports clubs are embracing the game, recognizing its benefits for physical fitness. Pickleball tournaments are held regularly, attracting players from all over the country. Pickleball is also being recognized as a great way to stay active and healthy. Its low-impact nature makes it suitable for people of all ages, and it's a fantastic way to make new friends and have fun. If you're looking for a new sport to try, pickleball might be just what you need. Grab a paddle, find a court, and join the pickleball craze. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned origins of pickleball. Invented in 1965, pickleball started as a family game using ping-pong paddles and a perforated plastic ball with a lowered badminton net. The name's origin is debated, linked to either a pickle boat or leaving an opponent in a pickle. Growth. Pickleball's simplicity and accessibility led to its rapid spread across the US by the 1970s. The United States Amateur Pickleball Association, USPA, was established in 1984 to further promote the sport. Pickleball in India. Introduced to India in 2008 by the All India Pickleball Association (AIPA), the sport has grown quickly, embraced by schools, colleges, and sports clubs. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.